Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to open advanced settings inside the YouTube Studio. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first step is open up your web browser and go to studio.youtube.com. From here, sign into the account that you'd like to see the advanced settings in. So I'm inside of my account here. Now on the left hand side, we're going to see a dashboard or more settings with tabs. From here, we want to go ahead and click on that settings tab with the gear icon. Now, once you've done that, a settings pop-up is going to appear like so. Now from here, we want to go ahead and click on the channel tab. Now, once we're in the channel tab, go ahead and click on advanced settings. Now, this is where you can change your audience. You can set this if it's made for kids or if it isn't. We've got channel insights. We can also allow advertisers, brands, and third party to view channel insights for earning opportunities. Keep scrolling down. We can go ahead and only let linked accounts use this channel videos ads. So yeah, you can play around with all the advanced settings inside of here. Also, I'm going to show you how to check out the advanced settings in your video. So I'm going to go ahead and close this. Now find the video that you'd like to access the advanced settings for. So I'm going to click on content. Now in this video here, I'm going to show you from here, we need to go ahead and click on details. Now if we scroll down, we want to go ahead and find, we can see all these settings inside of here. If you can't see this, that's okay. If we scroll back up here, if it says show less, so scroll down and then go ahead and click on show more. And now this is where you're going to see your audience, your paid promotions, altered content, your tags. So you can add all your tags in here like so. Keep scrolling down, language and caption certification, recording date. So all your advanced settings is inside of here on your videos. Also on the left hand side, we've got more settings that we can have a look at. So we've got analytics, editor, comments, languages, monetization, copyright, clips, etc, etc. Preferences here is because I've got vidIQ on. If you don't have vidIQ, you're not going to get preferences.